You're funny. All right. Okay, it's time to do this. We're gonna put this on here somewhere. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to tell you right now, the worst part is opening this stupid box. Pain in the ass. Okay, so I've watched some videos on how to put this thing up. This is the crossbar. And there's like my drill bits, my drill, some tape, but I'm going to do it my way. And I'm going to attach this on here. And we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to do a little different than how I've seen on videos. Alright, so I'm going to tape down the length of this to where I want it, which I believe is going to be right about here. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good there. And then this is good here. Okay. So hopefully those won't move. Make sure that this is where I want it. Just a little bit. Good. Okay, now I'm going to take my Loctite. This is where I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to put my Loctite on the back of these. Right here. I love Loctite. I think it's like the greatest thing ever. Stick that on there. This is just a temporary hold. Okay, so because this won't move. And I'm probably going to have to hold this. Okay, so. Kind of need to make sure it's going to be level. Do I have a level? I'm eyeballing here. Okay, I'm pushing against that, so you have to hold this. You got it?
I got it.
Okay. What I did was I put Loctite on there, and I taped this section here. Keith's been holding it from the outside. Hi! And I put Loctite on there, so I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Get one more screw. Put it in here. Hold it tight.
Got it.
There you go. Woo! One more, and then
Just
I
need
can
a
take the
little
other stuff
extra
off.
push.
Just an extra push. Okay, last one. Last one. Let me get it in there. There we go. Ah! You're funny. All right, now I'm gonna clean this up. Get all this stuff off. You're crazy. Psycho man. But it's on so far. I'm just gonna pull off this excess Loctite. I don't care if there's a little bit on there. Yeah, clean that up. There's some on the bottom. That one never even stuck on. I love this stuff. I think it's like the greatest stuff ever. Clean that up. Get in here. And then I have to take this off. Ta-da. Ta-da. Okay, so now when this thing is open, ooh, and I want to close it. Da-da-da. There we go. Done. So yeah, that's how you put that on without having to do all this stuff. Just use some Loctite. Stick it on there with some tape to hold the bar in, and you will be good to go. Yay! My door. Let me grab you back. Yay! Done. Okay, so I need to give a disclaimer. There's a little screw that goes on the back of here that you're supposed to screw this in so that it stays tight. But since I had it taped and this bar can't move anywhere, I don't know the point in having to do that. So if it breaks in a couple years, I'll let you know. But right now, it's working good. Yay, I can close the door without having to reach through this thing and mess this up. So there we go. Done.